In 2022, Nancy Pelosi is placing her money on 8 stocks before the November midterm elections in the United States. Democratic House leaders allegedly intend to submit legislation that would prohibit lawmakers and members of their families from trading individual stocks. Currently, Congress members are permitted to purchase and sell individual shares of stock as long as they disclose their transactions within 45 days. Nancy Pelosi, the Democratic House Speaker, and her husband, banker Paul Pelosi, have amassed a sizable fan base among stock traders on social networking sites in recent years as a result of their successful stock market investments. In reality, according to financial data company Unusual Whales, Pelosi's stock trading performance was 6th best in Congress in 2021. PayPal Holdings Incorporated. PayPal is a platform for online and mobile payments. Pelosi exercised 50 call options with a $100 target price in January 2022 to buy 5,000 PayPal shares. Pelosi previously revealed 2 big purchases of PayPal stock in June 2020, totaling at least $750,000 each. Pelosi's PayPal investment underperformed throughout the first half of 2022, one of the worst performers in the whole S&P 500. The stock was down more than 50%. However, on August 3, 2022, activist investor Elliott Management revealed a $2 billion investment in the company, causing PayPal shares to increase by more than 13%. Tesla Inc. With a market valuation of more than $900 billion, Tesla is the biggest American manufacturer of electric vehicles. Pelosi exercised 25 call options with a $500 strike price in March to buy 2,500 shares of Tesla. Those call options were bought by Pelosi in December 2020. Tesla's share price increased by 41.4% between the time the acquisition was made public and the time she exercised her options. Pelosi's Tesla stock hasn't performed as well as her Tesla call options thus far. Since she exercised her options, Tesla stock has decreased by around 0 to 5%. Alliance Bernstein Holding LP AB. An influential investment manager is Alliance Bernstein. In January 2022, Pelosi bought 10,000 Alliance Bernstein shares. The company revealed in July that its revenue had decreased by 9.8%, operating income has decreased by 32.1%, and average assets under management had decreased by 4.7% during the second quarter. Alliance Bernstein attributed its disappointing results to the challenging environment, which also included market-wide geopolitical concerns, accelerated inflation, and rising interest rates. Pelosi still received the 8.6% dividend from Alliance Bernstein despite the underwhelming results. Since Pelosi announced her purchase in January, the stock has produced a total return of 3.6%. Walt Disney Co. Theme parks, film and television studio, cruise lines, and other industries are all operated by the multifaceted media and entertainment organization known as Walt Disney. Disney also operates the streaming services Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and Hulu. In January 2022, Pelosi bought 10,000 Disney shares by exercising 100 call options with a $100 strike price. In December 2020, Pelosi purchased those 100 call options. Pelosi also bought 50 Disney call options with a $210 strike price that expires in January 2023. In December 2021, the stock has increased 2.1% since Pelosi exercised her Disney call options in January. American Express Co. American Express is a provider of financial services with a focus on travel-related services and credit cards. 5,000 shares of American Express were acquired by Pelosi in January 2022 through the exercise of 50 call options with an $80 strike price. In June 2020, Pelosi also made a previous purchase of at least $100,000 in AXP stock. Since Pelosi made her significant investment in American Express shares in 2020, they have also doubled, and since she increased her interest in January 2022 by exercising her call options, they have increased by 20.1%. Given that American Express is one of the biggest assets of legendary investor and billionaire Warren Buffett, Pelosi is in good company. Micron Technology Inc. Image sensors and semiconductor memory products are produced by Micron Technology. Pelosi bought 100 Micron call options with a $50 strike price that expires on September 16, 2022. In December 2021, these options will soon expire in just over 6 weeks. Since the purchase was announced, Micron shares have dropped 12.4%. Thus, Pelosi has likely already suffered a significant loss on her Micron call investment, although Micron dropped its fourth quarter revenue outlook to $7.2 billion, below analyst estimate of $9 billion, and nevertheless announced fiscal third quarter earnings that were above expectations. Microsoft Corp. One of the biggest providers of business software and cloud services worldwide is Microsoft. Pelosi invested $180 in 50 Microsoft call options with a June 2023 expiration date in May. The stock has increased by around 6% after Pelosi reported her purchase of Microsoft. Microsoft recently disclosed earnings and revenue for the fiscal fourth quarter that were below consensus analyst expectations. However, Microsoft reported that revenue from its intelligent cloud business increased by 20% year over year, while revenue from Azure and other cloud services increased by 40%. Microsoft also revealed a remarkable fourth quarter net income of $16.7 billion. Apple Inc. The maker of the iPhone has a market valuation of roughly $2.6 trillion, making it the most valuable public business on the American stock market. Throughout 2022, Pelosi traded Apple frequently. In January 2022, she bought 10,000 shares of Apple stock for the first time by exercising call options. Pelosi increased her investment in Apple in May by purchasing 100 Apple call options with an $80 strike price and a March 2023 expiration date. A few days later, Pelosi revealed the acquisition of 50 Apple call options with an $80 strike price and a June 2023 expiration date. Prior to their expiration on June 17, Pelosi sold 50 Apple call options with a $100 strike price in June. So which of these top 8 Nancy Pelosi stocks would you probably buy now? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to Wealth-ology for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.